Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 27th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla is having another good day. So we are up $19.76. We closed at 1038.19. Post-market, we are down 19 cents at 1038. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we basically have a little bit of an equilibrium between the buyers and the sellers in terms of the open and close of the day. Yeah? It goes up, it goes down, and it closes pretty much at the same price. So we are making higher lows, this is a low right here, another low right here, another low right here. And we were making higher highs here, but now we are having a lower high a little bit. And in terms of the volume here, you see the volume is about half the volume it was yesterday and the day before. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So this is what I have on the 1 hour chart. Since Monday, we have been moving up at this pace right here. We have been using that support, and today we came out of that support a little bit. So we are not climbing as steeply as we were on Monday. And it seems like we are entering a congestion zone. So we have a resistance here at 1059.31. And we have a support here at 1013.86. So we seem to be entering into this congestion zone. So it seems like this is the rest area until the next move. If the stock goes underneath here 1013.86 or above, you can make your own decision. So stochastic is at 62. As I say, when stochastic was here at 59, the stock bounced back up. At 62, it's still possible that, the stock is still going to maintain itself. RSI came out of the overbought position. MACD crossed over bearish right here. So during the first candle of the day. So even though we had a high volume here, MACD was telling us, no, I don't believe in that. The trend has changed now and things are going down. And MACD was right, at least for this period of time. Let's look at the first candle. So this is the first candle of the day. So gap up again from the close that we had yesterday, the candle that we had. So we climbed and passed 1059.31, but the body is close to that. Second hour, we tried again, but then were rejected on the third hour and then slowly went down and outside the support as I was mentioning. And now we are finding a little bit of support at 1030.76 approximately. MACD still very positive. So this is where we are so far. So the price can oscillate between 1013 and 1059 without changing its pattern. Let's look at the daily chart here. Stochastic that was at 76 yesterday, which was a little bit of a disappointment, is now back over 80, so at 82.91. RSI is staying pretty much flat, so that's not too bad. The stock is going a little bit higher, and stochastic is just a little bit flat. MACD still doing great and still increasing the distance between the two lines expressed by this bar chart here. And DMI, the bullishness in the stock is calming down a little bit. And the bearishness is almost decreasing also a little bit. So this is a good sign. I think that what is happening right now is just healthy pause until we have some other move. Because what we had here on Monday is a breakout gap. There are different types of gaps, and there are gaps that won't necessarily be filled. And breakout gaps is that kind. So when there's a breakout gap, this means that the gap coincides with a major break of resistance. And this is what happened here. So we had a all-time high at 940. And when we broke that, this is when the gap happened. So most of the time, breakout gaps don't necessarily get filled. So I would not be necessarily waiting for a pullback on the gap before getting in. So if you are not in, I would consider getting in as soon as we cross 1059, in the hour chart. This is what I would do, but you'd make your own decision. We all have our different objectives. Let's just wait until Tesla completes its pause and then see where it takes us. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.